आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना?
हाँ
2 बार, हाँ, of course. But what I wanted to say about this Gana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
There's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her. So
without giving away too much,
जी,
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है कैरेक्टर वाइज?
नहीं. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it. क्योंकि like directors, each directors have their own flavor. तो इसीलिए I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters, and she is extremely different. She is, as in I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different,
Ji.
is your streak to work with the best of best. We have 2 heavyweights here we love, and the kind of body of work that they've brought in. What is the special connect? Let's start with Nagarjun sir. For you, you know, maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. Wow. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him.
He was smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him, he enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling Sir that Sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film.
Ji.
But the second Sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special.
The high point for you as an actor, क्या था?
High point for me as an actor, being in the dump yard for like 6 hours.
Whoa.
The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, it, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye-opener, you know, this film in a way. Yeah. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So, you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film. So I hope you guys really like it.